Tired of vacuum cleaners that lose suction, tip over, or just make cleaning harder than it should be? Let's take a look at the Dyson Big Ball Multifloor, a vacuum designed to fix those exact problems. First, let's talk about what makes it different. The standout feature here is the self-righting design. If the vacuum tips over, it literally gets back up on its own. No interruptions. No frustration. Just continuous cleaning. Now, let's move to performance. This vacuum delivers powerful Dyson suction, designed to capture dust, dirt, and debris from both hard floors and carpets. It's especially effective on mixed surfaces, meaning you don't have to switch machines or settings constantly. Everything just works. Another big advantage is maneuverability. The big ball design allows the vacuum to move smoothly around furniture and tight spaces. It follows you naturally, instead of fighting against you. And if you've ever used a bulky vacuum, you'll immediately notice the difference. Now, let's talk about filtration. Dyson uses a sealed system, which traps allergens and fine dust inside the machine. So instead of pushing particles back into the air, it keeps your home cleaner and healthier. Perfect if you have pets or allergies. Next, convenience. The bin is easy to empty with a simple push mechanism, so you don't have to touch the dirt.
Quick, clean,
Effortless. And the included tools make it versatile enough for different tasks, from floors to upholstery and hard-to-reach areas. Now, let's talk about real-life use. This is not just a powerful vacuum. It's a reliable one. No loss of suction. No constant adjustments. No annoying design flaws. It's built to make cleaning easier, not harder. So, is it worth it? If you want a vacuum that combines strong performance, smart design, and everyday reliability, the Dyson Big Ball Multifloor is a solid choice. Check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. And if you're ready to upgrade your cleaning routine, this might be exactly what you need.